Hi team, today we are going to discuss about the CIS Data Foundation exam terms. So these are the repeated questions in the CIS Data Foundation point of view. So let's start. The question is, a configuration management process owner needs to a configure data manager for policy tasks to be correctly assigned and aligned with the group attribute assigned to a class in CA class manager, which is the recommended field to be used for a policy task assignment. Option A, approval group. Option B, managed by group. Option C, change group. Option D, support group. So the answer is managed by group. So it means policy task should be assigned to the group responsible for managing that CA class. So managed by group represents the ownership or management responsibility. Next question. A CMDB CA class owner has been asked to change the icon for the Unix server class. Which CA class manager tab can the owner use? Option A, basic info. Option B, suggested relationship. Option C, CA list. Option D, attributes. The correct answer is option A, basic information. These icon and these name and all belongs to the basic information. So basic info tab contains class name, label, icon, and description. Next one. An organization is using CMDB query builder to find all applications, services with a database that has instance and all infrastructure in those application services. Which steps are required? Option A, add a non-CMDB table to the query. Option B, use a service mapping query to include non-CMDB table like incident. Option C, use a service mapping query to find all incident related to the database. Option D, use a CMDB query to include application services on the related infrastructure. We can select any two options. Correct answer is option C and D. So use a service mapping query to find all incident related to the database and use a CMDB query to include application services and their related infrastructure. So CMDB query is the CA relationships and infrastructure. Service mapping query is used for the operational data, for the incidents and changes and problem management. Next one. A CMDB admin installs a service graph connector and customizes mapping. What is the consequence? Option A, the customized mappings are not supported by ServiceNow and the customer must support them. Option B, customization prevents execution without approval. Option C, customized fields get special tags. The correct answer is option A, the customized mappings are not supported by ServiceNow and the customer must support them. Because once we can customize, we can lose out of the box support. So we are responsible for the maintenance. Next one. Which ServiceNow solutions automatically creates relationship between CA applications in an application service? Choose any two options. Option A, integration hub ETL. Option B, service mapping. Option C, data manager. Option D, event management. Option E, discovery. So these correct options are option B and option E, service mapping and discovery. So discovery is it will find the infrastructure relationships, and service mapping is for the application dependencies. Dependencies fixes. Next one. A configuration manager wants CMDB health score only for specific region. What should be done? Option A, create CMDB group with type health by region. Option B, customize schedule jobs. Option C, enable region grouping setting. The correct answer is option A, create CMDB groups with type health by region. So CMDB group allow filtering by region, viewing regional health scores. Next question. How to filter specific CA class shown in the CMDB health dashboard? Option A, health inclusion rules. Option B, data refresh rules. Option C, reconciliation rules. Option D, identification rules. The correct answer is option C, option A, health inclusion rules. So it includes health inclusion rules decide which CA classes are included or excluded in the scoring. Next question. Which shows the most complete list of CMDB data manager policy types? Option A, retire, archive, attestation, certification, and delete. Option B, archive and delete. Option C, delete, attestation, retire, and certification. Option D, attestation, retire, and certification. So as the correct format is the option A. After retire, then it will go to the archive, then attestation, then certification, and finally we can delete. This is the proper way. So full policy list is the retire, archive, attestation, certification, delete. Next one. A CMDB admin wants to use dynamic reconciliation rules. Which feature must be enabled? Option A, reconciliation rules. Option B, CMDB workspace. Option C, CMDB data manager. And option D, CMDB 360 or multi-source CMDB. The correct answer is option D, CMDB 360 multi-source CMDB. Because dynamic reconciliation works with the multiple data sources and multi-source CMDB. Here, next question. A configuration management team needs to prevent duplicate server records to avoid confusion among users. Server records are identified when they are processed via the identification reconciliation engine using the configuration identification rules. Where would these rules be configured? Option A, CMDB Health Dashboard. Option B, CMDB Workspace. Option C, CMDB CA Class Manager. Option D, CMDB Data Manager. I am hoping option C, CMDB CA Class Manager. Yes, CMDB CA Class Manager. Why? Because identification rules are used by the IRE to decide whether a CA already exists or a new CA should be created. These rules are configured at the CA class level. CMDB CA Class Manager is the correct place to manage CA class settings, identifiers, and relationships. Why CMDB Health Dashboard is wrong? It's a user for the monitor CMDB quality, and CMDB Workspace is used for the CMDB operations, not a rule creation. And CMDB Data Manager is used for the governance and policies. Next one. The CMDB admin has been asked to establish configuration management with a functional CMDB. Which factor is most critical for successful operationalizing the CMDB in ServiceNow? Option A, establishing clear governance and continuous monitoring CMDB health. Option B, relying on automated discovery tools to maintain and update CMDB records. Option C, populating the CMDB with as much data as possible to ensure comprehensive inventory of CS. Option D, allowing editing to modify CMDB records as needed to promote flexibility in data management. Here, option D is wrong. And here, populating CMDB with as much data as possible to ensure a comprehensive inventory of CS. This is also wrong. Relying on automated discovery tools to maintain and update CMDB. This is also wrong. The correct answer is option A, establishing clear governance and continuous monitoring CMDB health. So that means a successful CMDB depends on the governance, ownership standards, and continuous health checks. Without governance, even discovered data becomes messy and unreliable. So why other options are wrong? Discovery helps for the health, but governance is more important. And more data does not mean better data. So more data means it's a chance of errors. Uncontrolled edits reduce the data quality. The final option is option A. Thank you guys. These are the from 11 to 20 questions and answers. So see you in the next video. If you have facing any difficulties, please comment in the comment section. Thank you. Wish you all the best.